So in our past lesson, we have entered into the second phase of the lesson, which is what we call the road. So in today's lesson, we want to continue to talk about the road. So we have said that we have about 5 types of roads, and in this video I will be teaching you how you can use this road normally. So we will start with the first road, which we call it one-way road. So we say one-way road is a road that vehicle only move in one direction. You can only be going or you can only be coming. That is, there cannot be 2 vehicles bypassing each other. We just have one vehicle moving towards one direction. The road can be one lane. One lane means just one vehicle can be going. We have 2 lanes. 2 lanes means 2 vehicles can be going in one direction. 3 lanes, 3 vehicles can be going in one direction. And 4 lanes, 4 vehicles can be moving on one direction. And remember, on this road, if there is a speed limit, the speed limit applies to all the vehicles moving on this road. So we want to look at the structure of the one-way road. So this is the structure of the one-way road, and the one-way road there are always 2 signs pasted on this road. We have the first sign, which is the sign which shows that it is one road, and this sign is being put on one end of the road. That is the entering part of the road. You will see the sign of one way, and on the other side you will see the sign which tell you you are not supposed to enter. So when we are talking about signs, I will tell you more about those signs. So today we want to talk about the road. So this is what we call one-way road. All vehicles are moving on the same direction. Then the second type of road we have to study is what we call the two-way ordinary road. The two-way ordinary road, we are talking about a road like this, that we have one vehicle coming and the other vehicle going. And this road, we have one vehicle coming, one vehicle going. So this is the road. So this is the road we are talking about. When you are driving on this road, as you can see, as this driver is using this road, you have one vehicle going, and you see the other vehicles coming on the opposite direction. This is the structure of what we call the two-way ordinary road. We have one vehicle going and we have another vehicle coming. Then we can see lines separating the lane. So this middle line on this road, we call it the carriageway. Looking the middle line, we call that middle line the carriageway. And this middle line we can only overtake on this line. So on two-way ordinary road, we can only overtake another vehicle, the vehicle in front of you, on the right side hand. That is on the left side hand. You don't have to overtake a vehicle on the right side hand. When you want to overtake, you have to overtake on the left side hand. And this road has what we call the first part of this road. That is this other side you are seeing. We call it the emergency lane. That is when you are driving. If you want to stop, you just have to navigate and make sure you stop, or you park in the emergency lane when you have trouble. And we have your lane, we have the carriageway, and the carriageway permit what we call overtaking. So this road, this is what we call the ordinary road, or we call it the highway. So this is the structure of the highway. I hope you can see it very well. And when you are driving on this road, you have to be careful of incoming vehicle. And when you want to overtake, you have to make sure you are able to see far and don't overtake when it is not necessary. So this is what we call the ordinary road, one vehicle going and the other vehicle coming. So on this road, remember, you can only park only on the right side hand, and when you want to overtake, you can only overtake on the left side hand. So this is what we call the ordinary highway road. Remember, on this road, you don't have to reverse. You don't reverse on this road. You don't make a U-turn on this road. So just put that in mind, that on ordinary two-way road, you don't make a U-turn, you don't reverse, and if you want to overtake, you have to see if the road is clear before you want to overtake. So thank you for watching this video. We have to continue in the next video. We talk about the two-way road. So I just want you to subscribe and follow the next lesson. We are talking about the two-way road. We have talked about the two-way, the one-way road. We have talked about the two-way ordinary road. So in the next lesson, or the next type of road we want to talk about is what we call the two-way road. So looking at the structure of this road, this is what we call the two-way road. And this two-way road, we have two vehicles can be going on the same direction, and we have two other vehicles can be coming on the opposite direction. So this is the structure of what we call the two-way road. We have two vehicles going and we have two vehicles coming. Then you see this middle part that separates both sides. We call it the medial lane, or we call it the medial strip. So this is the structure of the two-way road. So looking at how the driver is using the two-way road. So on this road we can see these two vehicles can be going on one direction, and we have two vehicles can be coming on the same direction. And on this road you can overtake a vehicle on both sides, that is either on the left or on the right. So in the two-way roads you can overtake a vehicle on both sides. But when you are driving, if you are taking the first lane is the lane that is always closer to the medial lane or to the medial strip. If you are taking that first lane, you have to make sure that your speed has to be higher, more than the person who is driving on the second lane. So you just have in mind that when I'm driving on the first lane, my speed has to be higher than the person who is driving on the second lane. And remember, on this road also, you don't make a U-turn, you don't reverse on this road, and parking on this road is always on the right hand. So you have to take a note of that. And on this road, if you are taking a lane, you have just to take that lane and you move on that lane. You don't dangle on this lane, you just have to follow your lane and you go straight ahead. So this is the structure of what we call the two-way road. Two-way road, two vehicles are going and two vehicles are coming. In the middle, we call it the medial strip. And we also have what we call the emergency lane, wherever the emergency lane is being provided. So this is the structure of the two-way road. Then from here, any road you see up to 3 vehicles moving, going in one direction, and 3 vehicles coming on the other hand is no more a two-way road. We call it the express road. So on the express road, you have to have at least 3 vehicles moving on the same direction, just like in the structure. Like on this road, you see this road, this is what we call the express road. That is, we have 3 vehicles going and we have 3 vehicles coming. This is what we call the express road. That is from 3 going onward, we call the express road. Then 2 vehicles, we call it the 2-way road. So thank you guys for watching this video. In the next video, we shall be talking about what we call the road signs. We have to deal with some of the road signs as we are driving and we are seeing signs pasted on the road sign. We will have to study about the road signs. So thank you for watching. I just want you to subscribe. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so that each time I uploaded a video, you will be able to catch up with the next lesson. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.